Yo mga Dolores, my name is Dolor Like. So for today's video, papakilala natin si Nutri Essentials Coffee. So ano nga ba yung coffee na ito? So ginamitan to Dolores ng organic ingredients, which is meron tayong organic psyllium husk powder, which is rich in fiber. And then yung ating L-theanine, which is ayun naman Dolores, is nakakatulong for focus and then concentration. And then syempre yung guarana extract. So speaking no, sa pagtatrabaho, so kailangan mo ng energy dyan, which is napakaganda kasi nga binuboost niya yung energy mo. So para very productive tayo everyday Dolores, and mag-take tayo ng Nutri Essentials Coffee. And then syempre, kung tatanungin nyo Dolores kung meron ba tong sugar, ang sagot is wala po. Dahil ang natural sweetener niya is yung ating stevia leaves. So ayun yung source of sweetener niya. So very organic Dolores. So matamis pa rin siya kahit na organic yung ingredients na ginamit sa kanya. So ayun lang Dolores, tapusin na natin tong video na to kasi magkakape na ako. So my name is Dolor Likes by Dolores.